Hello bachon, this is Mohammad Dinatullah from the SAIMEDHA Coaching Center, Koti, Hyderabad. So welcome to the video series of the Max Abhyasam Daily Dose. So in this Daily Dose videos, we have started the topic as periodicity and extreme values. Periodicity part we have completed. Now we'll be discussing about the extreme values over here. Okay. So extreme values, what are the important questions we are having? Like what are the time saving results we'll be using for this important questions? We'll be discussing all this topic in this video. Now, before starting that, I want to inform you that whatever the ECET coaching we are having, SAIMEDHA Coaching Center, Koti, Hyderabad is providing the ECET coachings for the 2024 as well as 2025 students. Okay, but specially for ECET 2024 students, online course, that online complete full course we are having with the gunshot bits, with previous year questions. And apart from this, complete whatever the video lectures we are having, apart from this, we'll be conducting the grand test for this specific particular subjects over here. Mathematics grand test, physics, chemistry, then engineering subject wise we'll be conducting over here. Then similarly MPC, combination of maths, physics, chemistry. Then in engineering all the subjects combination what we are having. Then finally what we are having, mock test, 9 mock tests we are having over here. If you are writing this 9 mock tests, then you will be getting the confidence. Then you will be coming to know that how many marks you can score in the final examination. Okay, so complete course in the SAIMEDHA Coaching Center, Koti, Hyderabad. So all this, whatever the gunshot bits, the previous year questions, grand test, video lectures, all this complete course will be available only for 2,900. Okay, only for 2024 students. Okay, 2024 students, that online course, it is available only for 2,900. If you want any information regarding this, you can contact on this given numbers. Now, let us see the questions of the extreme values over here. In this, what we are having, the maximum value of f of x is equals to 3 cos of 4x plus 5 plus 6. Okay. Now, for this type of questions, I'll be giving you some concept over here. Let us see this part. If you are going with this time saving result, by using this time saving result, suppose if you are having sin x, okay, if you are having sin x and cos x, if you are taking this sin x and cos x, directly what you have to remember means that minimum value for sin x is equals to -1 and maximum value for sin x it is equals to +1. Directly we have to remember that part, 2 values, -1 +1. Similarly for cos x also, what we are taking -1 and +1. Now if you are going for sin square x, cos square x, then mod sin x, if you are taking mod cos x. Okay, if you are taking this part, this functions we have taken. So for this, what's the minimum value we have to remember, that is 0, and the maximum value it is equals to what, 1. Okay, so these are the time saving results we are having. We have to remember this. First, what we have taken, sin x and cos x. For sin x and cos x, what we are having, -1 +1. Okay, now sin square x, cos square x, mod sin, mod cos means what we have to remember, 0 and 1. Okay, now let us see these questions. How we have to solve these questions now. The maximum value of f of x is equals to 3 cos of 4x plus 5 plus 6 we are having. So if you have taken this function now, f of x is equals to 3 cos of 4x plus 5 plus 6 we have taken. Now listen carefully, either it is cos x or it is cos 5x or else it is cos 5x plus 3, whatever it may be, whatever the complete function we are having, for that complete function we are having 2 values, -1 +1. Okay. Now whenever we are taking that values in our question, don't decide directly. Listen to this point very carefully over here. If it is asking maximum value, yes or no, so in the place of this complete function, maximum value is given. So what is the maximum value for cos function? 1. Directly we can substitute over here as 1 over here, but what we'll be doing means we'll be substituting both the values over there. Okay, after substituting both the values in the final answer, what we are getting over there, will be deciding what is minimum value and maximum value. Okay, if you are doing that, then we'll be getting almost correct answers. Understood? Because what will happen means, if you are taking directly that value, in some of the questions will be not getting the correct answer. Let us see this part now. So what I am doing, f of x is equals to this 3 we have taken. In the place of this complete part, I am taking both the values. What are both the values? -1 comma +1. Next part, what we are having, +6. Okay, like this I have taken. Now we will be having two cases now. What is the first case we are having? First we are taking minus 1. So 3 into minus 1 plus 6. Similarly, what we are having? 3 into plus 1 plus 6. Okay. Now, if you are solving this part, what is the answer we are getting? 3 into minus 1 means what? Minus 3. Minus 3 plus 6 is equals to 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 6 is equals to 9. So we are getting one value is equals to 3, another value is equals to what? 9. Now after getting this answer, then you have to decide what is minimum value and what is maximum value. So we can see this part as, this part is minimum value we are having, and this part is what? Maximum value. So what is given in the question? We have to find out maximum value. So what is the maximum value we are having? 9. So 9 means let us go with option number 3. Okay, like this we have to solve. We will be taking two values. After taking the two values, what are the answers we are getting? In that answers we will be deciding what is minimum value and what is maximum value. Okay, now let us see the next question. The range of f of x is equals to minus sine of under root 1 plus x square we are having. If you are having this part, f of x is equals to minus sine of under root 1 plus x square. Okay, so this minus I have taken as it is. In the place of this complete function, what we can do over here? We can write two values. What are the two values? Minus 1 comma plus 1. Okay. Now again we are getting two cases over here. First case what we are having? Minus of minus 1, and the second case we are having minus 1. So it is equals to minus into minus plus 1, and this part is minus 1 only. Okay. Now what is minimum value? What is maximum value? Minimum value is equals to minus 1 and maximum value is equals to plus 1. Okay, like this we are finding. After getting the final answers, we will be deciding what is minimum value, what is maximum value. So we have to find out the range over here. So how we have to write the range now? Whenever we are writing the range is equals to, we have to write this part as minimum value comma maximum value. Okay, compulsory we have to write like this. So it is equals to, what is minimum value we are having? Minus 1 comma maximum value 1. So what is the range we are getting over here? Minus 1 comma 1. Means let us go with the first option. Okay. Next question. The range of f of x equals to 3 mod cos x minus 5 we are having. So if you are taking this function, f of x is equals to 3 mod cos x minus 5. So it is equals to 3 in the place of mod cos x. In the place of mod cos x, what are the values we have taken over here? 0 and 1. For sin x and cos x, minus 1 comma 1. For this functions we are having 0 comma 1. So let us substitute over here. If you are substituting 0 comma 1 minus 5. Okay. Now again we are getting the two cases over here. What are the two cases? First we are taking it as 3 into 0 minus 5. The next one is what? 3 into 1 minus 5, which is equals to 3 into 0 means 0. 0 minus 5 is equals to what? Minus 5. It is equals to 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 5 is equals to minus 2. So minus 5 we have taken, minus 2 we have taken. Now in this also we have to find out the range over here. If you are finding the range now, what we have discussed just now, range means it is equals to, first we have to write minimum value and then we have to write what? Maximum value. Okay. Now it is equals to, what is minimum value we are having over here? Minus 5. Minus 5 is minimum value. This is minimum value. And minus 2 is what? Maximum value. Okay. So what we can write? Minus 5 comma minus 2. So which option is correct? Option number 3 is correct. Now next one. The range of f of x equals to 1 by 2 sin x minus 3. So if you are taking this part now, f of x is equals to 1 divided by 2 sin x minus 3. Okay, like this we are having. So it is equals to 1 divided by 2 in the place of sin x. In the place of sin x, what two numbers we can write? Minus 1 comma 1. So minus 1 comma 1 minus 3. Okay. Now again we will be getting two cases over here. What are the two cases we are having? 1 divided by 2 into minus 1 minus 3 and 1 divided by 2 into 1 minus 3. Okay, it is equals to. Now what we can write over here? 1 divided by 2 into minus 1 means minus 2 minus 3 is equals to minus 1 by 5. Over here what we are getting? 1 by 2 minus 3, it is equals to what? Minus 1. Okay. So these are the two answers we are getting over here. Again in this also we have to find out the range now. What we have to find? A range. So range is equals to minimum value comma maximum value. So what we are having over here? Let us go with a minimum value. Minimum value means minus 1. This is what? maximum value. Okay, because if you are seeing this number line over here 0, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3, like this we have taken. -1 is this part we have taken. -1/5 means it is coming in between this part. Okay, -1/5. So what is minimum value? -1. Maximum value? -1/5. So let us write this part as -1 comma -1/5. Okay, so let us go with option number 3. Next question, maximum value of sin x into cos x. So if you are taking this function now, f of x is equals to sin x into cos x. Okay, now into we are having. So when we are having multiplication between the two functions, let us try to make it as one function only. How we are making this part means, listen carefully now. Now what I have done, 2/2 assumption, multiplying and dividing by 2 into cos x. Okay, so it is equals to 1/2 I have taken as it is over here. Now 2 sin x into cos x means what? Sin 2x. Okay, 2 sin x into cos x, sin 2x. So it is equals to 1/2 I have written as it is. In the place of sin 2x, what we can write now? -1 comma +1. -1 comma +1. For this again we are getting the two cases over here. First case what we are having, 1/2 into -1, it is equals to -1/2. Then next is 1/2 into 1, which is equals to 1/2. Okay, now what is minimum value, maximum value? This is becoming minimum value. Next is what? Maximum value. Okay, what we have to find? We have to find out maximum value. So maximum value means what we are getting? 1/2. Option number 2 is correct. Next part, minimum value of 8 sin theta, cos 2 theta, cos 4 theta we are having. Okay, if you are taking this part as f of theta is equals to 8 sin theta into cos theta, then next cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta. Okay, this part we are having. Now what we'll be doing means, so this 8 can be written as 4 into 2. 4 into 2 sin theta into cos theta, then next cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta. Okay, which is equals to. Now this 2 sin theta into cos theta means what we are having? Sin 2 theta. What we are having? Sin 2 theta. Then again this 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Okay, next part what we are having? Cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta. Next it is equals to, now this 2 sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta. 2 sin theta into cos theta means sin 2 theta. Similarly 2 sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta means what? Sin 4 theta. Sin 4 theta into cos 4 theta. Then one more 2 is left over here. Now next 2 sin 4 theta into cos 4 theta means what we are having? It is equals to sin 8 theta. Okay, so this is a function. For this what we have to find? Minimum value. For this complete function we are having only two values now. What is that? -1 comma 1. So -1 is minimum value, 1 is what? Maximum value. So if you are going for minimum value, let us go with option number 1. Next part, the maximum value of 3 cos theta plus 4 sin theta. Okay, so that questions we have completed. Now let us see these questions what we are having. Okay, now in this category what I am taking means another TSR, time saving result. In this part we are taking it as, if we are having the function f of x is equals to a sin x plus b cos x plus c. Okay, a sin x plus b cos x plus c we have taken. Then what we are doing means minimum value we are having the formula as c minus under root a square plus b square. Okay, then next part, maximum value we are having it as c plus under root a square plus b square. Okay, if it is exactly like this, if the question is exactly this part, then directly we can take minimum value formula, maximum value formula. But some changes we are having in the question, like 1 by, okay, 1 by we are having, minus of that part we are having, whatever some changes is there means, then we have to take this 2 formulae. After substituting in this 2 formulae, whatever the answers we are getting, in that we have to decide what is minimum value and what is maximum value. Okay, now let us check this part. Now we are having the function as a 3 cos theta plus a 4 sin theta. Okay, so what we have taken? A sin x plus b cos x plus c. So I will be taking this part as, this is a value I have taken, this is b value I have taken, and c value it is equals to 0. Okay, now what we have to find now? Maximum value. So what is maximum value formula we are having? Maximum value c plus under root a square plus b square, which is equals to c value 0 plus under root a square means 4 square will become 16 plus b square, 3 square will become 9, it is equals to under root 16 plus 9 means 25, root 25 is equals to 5. Okay. So as it is exactly in that form only, then we can substitute the direct formula. But if you are having some changes in the question, 1 by like that is given, what I have told you, we have to substitute two formulae. After getting the answer, we have to decide what is minimum, what is maximum. Okay. So 5 means let us go with third option. Okay. Third option is correct. Next, minimum value of root 3 sin x minus cos x. In this part also same concept we are having over here, minimum value. So minimum value formula, minimum value is equals to c minus under root a square plus b square is equals to, now this is a value, okay, a value is equals to root 3, b value is equals to minus 1, c value is equals to 0. Okay. So c value 0 we have taken, minus under root of a square. A square means root 3 whole square will become what? 3. So no, root 3 whole square means what? 3. Next plus, what is b value? Minus 1. Minus 1 whole square means what? 1 itself. Okay. So it is equals to minus under root 3 plus 1 means 4, which is equals to minus 2. So what is the minimum value we are getting over here? Minus 2. First option is correct. The range of 4 cos theta plus 2 root 3 sin theta. Okay. In this range is being asked. Range means first we will be calculating minimum value as well as maximum value. Okay. So minimum value what we are having, c minus under root a square plus b square. So in this what is a value? A is equals to 2 root 3, b is equals to 4, c is equals to 0. Okay. So what we can write now? 0 minus under root a square. So this part will become what? 2 root 3 whole square is equals to 2 square will become 4 into square root gets cancelled means 3, 4 3s are 12. Okay. So 12 we are getting over, 12 plus b square means 4 4s are 16. So it is equals to minus under root 12 plus 16. So what we can write over here? 28. Okay. Minus 28 we are getting. Similarly, let us go for maximum value. Maximum value means what we can do? C plus under root a square plus b square. Okay, a square plus b square is equals to 0 plus same concept 12 plus 16, it is equals to how much? Under root 28. So minimum value is equals to minus under root 28, maximum value is equals to plus under root 28. But root 28 is not given over here. So what we can do means, listen carefully. This part it can be written as minus under root 28 can be written as 4 into 7. So no, 4 sevens are. 4 sevens are we can write over here. Now it is equals to this under root if you are giving for 4. Under root we are giving for 4 means it will become what? 2. And 7 means it will be root 7 only. So now what we are getting? Minus 2 root 7. Similarly over here also how we can write under root of 4 into 7 which is equals to 2 root 7. Okay. So what is minimum value? Minus 2 root 7. Maximum value plus 2 root 7. So let us go with the fourth option. Okay. Fourth option is correct. Next part. The range of 4 cos theta plus 2 root 3 sin theta. 4 cos theta plus 2 root 3 sin theta. We are having the same question over here. Let us go with the fourth option. Okay. Fourth option is correct. Next. The range of f of x is equals to 3 sin 4x minus 4 cos 4x minus 1. In the place of sin x, if you are having sin 4x, then also we can use the same formula. But this sin 4x means this also should be what? Cos 4x only. Okay. Argument coefficient what we are having, that should be same. Then we can apply the same formula. So in this what is a value? A value is equals to 3. B value is equals to minus 4. C value is equals to minus 1. Okay. Now what we have to find? Range we have to find. Range means first we will be going for minimum value. Minimum value what we are having? C minus under root a square plus b square, it is equals to, what is c value? Minus 1 minus under root of a square means 3 square will become 9 plus b square minus 4 whole square, minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16. So it is equals to minus 1 minus under root 9 plus 16 means how much? 25, which is equals to minus 1 minus 5, it is equals to minus 6. Okay. So what we are getting the answer? Minus 6. Now similarly let us go for maximum value. For maximum value what we are having? C plus under root a square plus b square, it is equals to, now what we are getting? C value minus 1 plus under root a square means 9 plus b square means 16, it is equals to minus 1 plus under root of 25, it is equals to minus 1 plus 5, it is equals to 5 minus 1 is equals to 4 minus 6 comma 4. So range is equals to, therefore range, as we have to find out the range over here, what is minimum value? Minus 6. What is maximum value? 4. So what is the answer we are getting? Minus 6 comma 4, means first option is correct. Next one, find the range of 27 power sin 2x into 81 power cos 2x we are having. Okay. Now let us see this question. So 27 power sin 2x into 81 power cos 2x we are having this part. Okay. Now what we are doing means, let us do some simplification over here. 27 can be written as what? 3 cube, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 3 cube, then again whole power sin 2x, okay, into 81 can be written as what? 3 power 4, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. So 3 power 4. So 3 power 4 cos 2x, okay, like this we have taken. So now whatever the function we are getting over here, f of x is equals to power to the power means what we have to do? Multiplication. So what we can write now? 3 power 3 sin 2x into 3 power 4 cos 2x. Okay, next part, f of x is equals to, bases are same in multiplication, power should be added. So 3 power 3 sin 2x plus 4 cos 2x. Okay, this part we are getting over here. 3 power 3 sin 2x plus 4 cos 2x. Okay. Now what I have told you, if the question is exactly like this, then we can find out what is minimum value, what is maximum value, direct to formula. But if we are having somewhat changes in the question over, 3 power is given, so some changes are been having means what we have to do, we have to apply the two values, two formula we have to apply, then we have to decide what is minimum, what is maximum. Okay. So first I will be using this part as, first we will be using the formula as a c minus under root a square plus b square formula. Okay. Then next what we will be using? C plus under root a square plus b square formula. Okay. Now in this, can you tell me what is c value? Over here plus 0, c value is 0, what is a value? 3, what is b value? 4. Okay. Now let us write this part. So f of x is equals to, what we can write now? 3 power we are writing as it is. Now for this part, one time I am using this formula and another time we will be using that formula. Okay. So what we are having? C value 0 minus under root a square means what we are having? 3 square will become 9 plus b square means 16. So it is equals to 3 power minus 9 plus 16 is 25. Root 25 is equals to 5. So this is one value. This is one value. Now we can't decide that is minimum or maximum. Let it be as it is. Okay. Then next part, 3 power 0 plus under root a square means 9 plus b square means 16. It is equals to 3 power 9 plus 16 25, root 25 is equals to 5. This is another value. Okay. Now after getting these answers, then we have to decide what is minimum and what is maximum. So by seeing this part itself, we can see this part as this is minimum value and this is what a maximum value. Okay. Now if you are seeing the question, what we are getting the answer now? 3 power minus 5 comma 3 power 5 means second option is correct. Now let us go with the next question. The least value of 1 by 3 sin x minus 4 cos x plus 7. Okay. Now for this also we are having 1 by concept, means we have to use both formulae. After using both formulae, then we have to decide what is minimum and what is maximum. Okay. Now in this, what we are having? First, a is equals to 3, b is equals to minus 4 and c is equals to 7. So first formula, 1 divided by c minus. Okay. First we are taking c minus under root a square plus b square. C minus under root a square plus b square. Okay. Means we have taken this part. So what is the answer we are getting over? 1 divided by 7 minus 9 plus 16 25, root 25 is equals to 5. It is equals to 1 by 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 means how much we can write? 2. So this is one value we are getting over here. Okay. Now similarly, 1 divided by, now we have to do c plus, means 7 plus under root 9 plus 16, which means 1 divided by 7 plus root 25 means what? 5. It is equals to 7 plus 5 means how much? 1 by 12. Okay. So these are the two values we are getting over here. But in this, what we have to find now? Least value we have to find. What we have to find? A least value. So if you are taking this part 1 by 12, 1 by 2, which one is least? If you are going for somewhat decimal point now, if you are going for some decimal point, this 1 by 12 will be least value. Okay. So this part will become minimum value. Minimum value. This part is minimum value and this part is what? Maximum value. Okay, this part we have taken. So what is the least value for this question means we are going for 1 by 12, because if you are deciding directly, listen carefully, minimum value means what we have taken the formula, c minus under root a square plus b square, c minus under root a square plus b square, if you have taken this directly, but what is the answer we are getting over here? Maximum. That's why I am telling you, apply both the values, apply both the formula. After applying, what are the final answers we will be getting? In that you have to decide what is minimum and what is maximum. Okay. So 1 by 12 means let us go with the fourth option. Okay. Fourth option is correct. Now let us see the next question. The minimum value of 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta we are having. Okay. Now if you are seeing this question over here, what is a value now? A value is equals to 3. B value is equals to 4. What is C value? 0. Okay. What we have to find now? Minimum value. Directly it is given over here. Minimum value is equals to C minus under root A square plus B square. It is equals to, what is C value? 0 minus under root 9 plus 16. It is equals to minus 9 plus 16, 25. Root 25 is equals to 5. What is the answer? Minus 5. Option 4 is correct. Next, the minimum value of 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 is given. So in this also what we are taking, A is equals to 3, B is equals to 4, C is equals to 5. Okay. Now what we have to find? Minimum value. If you are finding minimum value, what is the formula now? C minus under root A square plus B square, which is equals, what is C value? 5 minus under root A square means what we are having? 9, B square means 16. It is equals to 5 minus under root 25. It is equals to 5 minus 5 is equals to what? 0. So what is the minimum value we are getting? Fourth option, 0. Okay. Now similar question we are having over here. Now what is given? 3 cos theta minus 4 sin theta. Okay. Means we can take A is equals to minus 4, B is equals to 3 and C is equals to 0. Now what we have to find? Range we have to find now. Means we have to use minimum value as well as maximum value. Okay. So minimum value, if we are going for minimum value, what we are having? C minus under root A square plus B square. It is equals to C value 0 minus under root A square means minus 4 whole square means 16 plus 9. It is equals to minus root 25 is equals to 5. So what is the minimum value? Minus 5. Similarly, maximum value means C plus under root A square plus B square is equals to 0 plus under root 16 plus 9, which is equals to what? 5. Minus 5 comma 5. So if you want to find out the range over here, what is the answer we are getting? Minus 5 comma 5 means option number 3 is correct. Now let us see the next question over here. Find the range of 3 cos square x plus 4 sin square x we are having. Okay. Now for sin square x also we have written in the starting question, for sin x and cos x, what is minimum value? Minus 1. Maximum value? Plus 1. For sin square x, cos square x, mod sin x, mod cos x, what is minimum value? 0. What is maximum value? 1. Like that also we have taken. But you can't apply both the values over here. Either in the question it should be only one function. Either it can be sin square x or cos square x, mod sin x or mod cos x. Only one function should be there, then only we can apply that part. You can't apply for cos square x we are substituting the values, for sin square x we are substituting the values. We can't do like that. Okay. So first we are changing our question. What we can do means 3 cos square x plus 4 in the place of sin square x. What else we can write? So as we are having the identity, sin square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. In the place of sin square x, what we can write? 1 minus cos square x is equals to what? Sin square x. Okay. Let us substitute that part over here. So in the place of sin square x, what we are writing? 1 minus cos square x. Okay. Now let us multiply this part. So 3 cos square x plus 4 ones are 4 plus into minus minus 4 cos square x. Okay, this part we have taken. Now 3 cos square x minus 4 cos square x means what? Minus cos square x plus 4. Understood? Minus cos square x plus 4. Now our question what was there, we have converted into only one function. Now in the place of cos square x, we can substitute the two values. The two values what we are having, 0, 1. So minus we have written as it is, and 0, 1 we are writing over here, plus 4. How many cases we are getting? 2 cases. What is the first case we are having? Minus 0 plus 4. Second case, minus into 1 means minus 1 plus 4, which is equals to, this part is 4 and this part is equals to 3. Okay. So like this we are getting the answers over here. Now in this we have to find out what is minimum value and what is maximum value. So this will become what? Minimum value, and this part will become what? Maximum value. Okay. So like this we are deciding. What we have to find now? Range we have to find. So what is minimum value? 3, 4. 3, 4 means first option is correct. Now for this type of questions, listen carefully. Whenever we are having the function, f of x is equals to a sin square x plus b cos square x. Whenever we are having sin square x and cos square x combination, listen to this time saving result carefully over here. Okay. Whenever we are having sin square x and cos square x combination, how many values we are having? 2 values we are having now. One is 3, one is 4. Whatever it may be, whatever the minimum value it is looking like in the question, that will become minimum value. What is maximum value in the question? That will become maximum value. Okay. If you are having sin square x first, cos square x first, whatever it may be. If we are having sin square x and cos square x combination, in the question, what is minimum value? That will become minimum. What is maximum? That will become maximum value. Over here also what we have taken, 3 and 4 is visible in the question. So 3 will become minimum value, 4 will become what? Maximum value. Similarly, let us see this question now. Sin square x, cos square x combination we are having. In this also, what are the two numbers we are having? 9 we are having, minus 5 we are having. Now in this, what is minimum value? Minus 5. What is maximum value? 9. So minus 5, 9. Second option is correct. That's it. Okay. Next one, the maximum value of 3 sin square x plus 5 cos square x we are having. What I have told you, sin square x, cos square x combination. So this is what? Minimum value. This is what? Maximum value. So what we have to find now? Maximum. Maximum means, let us go with the option number 3, 5. That's it. In the question, 2 values will be given. For the 2 values, minimum, minimum value, maximum, maximum value. Now let us go for this question now. The least value means, again we are having 2 values over here, 2 and 3. So this will become minimum and this part will become what? Maximum. Least value. Least value means what we are having? Minimum value. Let us go with the option number 2. Okay. Now one more time I want to remind you that those who have not taken, the students, those who have not taken the coaching in SAIMEDHA Coaching Center Koti, Hyderabad, we are giving an exclusive offer for the ECET 2024 students. Okay, that complete online course what we are having, full course plus gunshot bits, previous year questions. Apart from this, whatever the grand test will be conducting over here, mathematics, physics, chemistry, engineering subject wise, then similarly MPC, combination of maths, physics, chemistry, then combination of all the subjects, engineering subjects what we are having, then finally mock test. Mock test is very important over here. If you are writing this mock test, 5800 bits what we are having, if you are attempting all this part and you are practicing daily with this bits, 5800 bits, then we are going for gunshot bits, previous year questions which will be available in the saimedha.in app. If you are practicing daily, then compulsory you will be getting the confidence that you will be getting a good marks and the good rank in the ECET examination. Okay, so don't waste your time. Start your preparation, and this complete course for ECET 2024 students we are giving only for 2,900 itself. Okay, all these video lectures, gunshot bits, previous year questions, 5800 bits, grand test bits what we are having, it is only for 2,900. If you want any information regarding this, you can contact